Prince Louis, the youngest member of the royal family, has developed a diverse range of interests from sports to cooking, but one particular pastime has caught the attention of his proud mother, Catherine, and it aligns with a family tradition. Reportedly, Prince Louis has taken a keen interest in gardening, a hobby cherished by both his mother and grandmother, Princess Catherine and Carole Middleton. Prince Louis, cultivating broad beans at home, is making his mark in the family album as the one with a green thumb. Catherine has passed her love of the outdoors onto all three of her kids, including Prince George and Princess Charlotte. Prince George has farm chores at the family's country home of Amner Hall, feeding the farm animals, while Princess Charlotte has a fascination with nature. Carole Middleton, the matriarch of this remarkable family, is not just a witness to this generational love for nature. She actively participates in passing down her gardening enthusiasm to her royal grandchildren. For Carole Middleton, it's about instilling a genuine appreciation for nature in the young minds, encouraging them to dig into the soil, pot plants, and relish the joy of picking homegrown vegetables. The act of growing potatoes becomes a simple yet enchanting family affair, fostering a connection with the earth that goes beyond the royal splendor. The camaraderie between Carole and Catherine extends beyond gardening tips. It's about shared moments, laughter, and valuable family time. Living in Berkshire with her husband Michael, Carole becomes not just a grandmother, but a mentor in the realm of outdoor activities. Catherine, in turn, relies on Carole not just for gardening expertise, but for the kind of guidance and support that only a mother can provide. Catherine's commitment to promoting a love for nature extends to her public endeavors as well. In 2019, she co-designed the Back to Nature garden for the RHS Chelsea Flower Show, showcasing a woodland wilderness garden that invited children to explore and play amidst the beauty of nature. The high platform treehouse, tree stumps, and a hollow log reflected Catherine's dedication to creating spaces that foster physical and mental well-being through a connection with the natural world. A glimpse into Catherine's personal gardening journey was shared by Kensington Palace in May 2020. The unseen photograph captured her balancing on rocks, wearing gardening gloves, and reaching for a potted plant. It was a snapshot of hands-on involvement in the creation of the Back to Nature garden and a testament to her genuine passion for the outdoors. As a regular attendee of the Chelsea Flower Show since 2011, Catherine's presence reflects not just her royal grace, but also her casual yet elegant style. In 2016 and 2017, she was photographed at the event donning jeans and a dark-colored linen shirt, embodying a relatable and approachable demeanor. Beyond the royal duties and glamorous appearances, Catherine's commitment to gardening and connecting with nature serves as an inspiring example for her family and the public alike. Whether it's the carefree moments with Prince Louis, the farm chores with Prince George, or the shared fascination with nature alongside Princess Charlotte, the Princess of Wales is not just a royal figure, but a mother, a gardener, and a champion of the great outdoors.